With this tool, you can install a booster pump and pre-filter without tearing into the wall. Here's how it works. First, remove the knob from your indoor main water valve. Screw in the adapter fitting, then tighten the inner rod to split the water flow into two lines. Now, just add another shutoff valve on the outlet. Between the inlet and outlet, you can install your booster pump and pre-filter with no hassle. Once everything's connected, open the valve, and your water now flows through the booster or filter before entering your home's plumbing. Simple, clean,